tactic was when Uranus and Gaia are laid in bed, trying to maybe procreate more.
Oh, I know
Or
this.
just, okay?
Chop it off.
Exactly. Kronos brings in a
Cut it.
sickle and
Cut it. Cut it.
Can you believe that?
Cut it.
That is just
No,
violent.
no, you gotta cut it.
This is a serious matter. We are talking about castration of Uranus.
Yeah.
You
Because
think
he
this-
deserved it.
He deserved it. But that's not something you should dance on.
No, I'm saying that.
Kronos is like, no, I have the mood to marry my sister,
Rhea.
Rhea. He marries Rhea.
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 Not Rhea, Rhea.
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 Rhea. Rhea. Rhea. Okay, so now. Like, if
You're saying if
Persephone was like half year.
if you can't continue.
What then have we learned?
Where is Kronos?
Where is the time? The Little Mermaid thing again.
It's a good background music.
For what?